Okay, let's start. Looking at this integrand, I'm going to say u is equal to theta to the sixth power. So let's write this over. U, we're doing number 21, is equal to theta to the sixth power. That means du is going to be 6 theta to the fifth power d theta. All right, let me write this down. I'll put a 6 here. I'll put a 1/6 over here. Let's write down the new integration. It's 1/6. Looking at it, again, if u was, if theta is 0, u would be equal to 0. And if theta is 1, u would be 1. Then we have 6 times theta to the fifth d theta. See that right here. And what's that equal to? Du. And then I have the tangent of theta to the 6, and theta to the 6 is just u. All right, I'm going to rewrite it a little differently. 1/6, 0 to 1, tangent of u du. All right, now looking at the tangent, I'm going to write that as a ratio. So let me get my eraser out, and I'm going to write that as sine u over cosine u. Certainly in time, when practice, you might get better at doing this, but right now, I got to make another u substitution, but I can't use u again. I'm going to use v. dv is minus cosine u. I'm sorry, that's not correct. Let me erase that. It's minus sine u du. All right, I'm going to write that in, minus, minus. So what do you get? Minus 1/6. Well, the cosine of 0 is 1, and the upper limit is going to be the cosine of 1. Then what do you get? You get 1 over u. I'm sorry, not 1 over u. 1 over v. And the minus sine u du is just simply dv. Can I do that? I can. Let's write it down. It's minus 1/6 natural log absolute value of v. And the limits of integration are going to go from 1 up to cosine of 1. Let's keep moving through this. Minus 1/6 natural log. Now, I want to point out cosine of 1, right, if you thought about it, we have the cosine curve between 0 and pi, and the cosine of 1, by the way, this is pi over 2, is certainly a positive number. Now, I don't know what the number is, but it's a positive number. So I'm going to remove the absolute value symbol. What does that mean? It's not the absolute value anymore, it's just simply cosine of 1. Minus of minus is plus 1/6 natural log of 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1. What's nice about that? It's just 0. So I get something pretty easy. I get this, minus 1/6 natural log cosine of 1. Put a box on it, get the red pen out. Certainly we provide a key to you, and the key is certainly written down for you. Hopefully you're reading through that. But let's see if we got the right answer, all right? So the right answer, when I say the right answer, you know, that we're verifying with my key, and it looks like it did okay. Yeah, we did fine. Thank you.